How about learning lines? Do you find learning lines easy or difficult?
Difficult, yeah.
And what about if you're in a situation where you're in a play and you think that you're going to forget a line? How do you calm yourself?
Well, it's a collaboration, and so you know that the person standing in front of you who you're delivering the line to, they'll help you out. But also, if you do forget your lines, just remain calm, right? And hopefully it will come back to you. And it does. I think as actors, we always get stressed, oh, we're going to forget the line, and we're kind of afraid to make mistakes. But if you really trust yourself and you've done the work before show day, just believe and trust yourself that it will come back to you.
How do you stop yourself forgetting lines? That's an interesting question. Usually people are asking, how do you learn lines, not how to stop yourself from forgetting them. I suppose what I do is truly understand the story, because it's in the story that helps what the lines are. So if you know and get the full circumference of what the story is about, no matter what might happen, no matter what might come across, what happened on stage or in the situation, you'll be able to know where to go. And it's trusting in that story, understanding what that story means. And, well, just read your lines however many times. Just read them repetitively.